actually. So, here you are and you've got a weak claim. You think you have a weak claim. See, that's the part you don't know. You don't know what they're going to do because you have a VA rater and then you'll probably have a CNP examiner. It could go your way. You really have no idea. It's pure speculation. So I would put your energy into making it better next time or making your appeal better or anything other than negative. Negative's so easy. I've lived my life negative. Negative is a bullshit way to live, and it's not going to get you anywhere. Pick yourself up from nowhere, right? Because you don't even know what the outcome is going to be. But this is where the education starts. So you don't get to do anything right now. Your claim was filed. You think it's weak? That's fine. Maybe it's weak. Maybe it's strong. We don't know. You don't know. I'm not a rater. I'm not an accredited claims agent. I don't have a crystal ball, and neither do you. So let's just see what happens, right? That's all we can do. So what do I do in the meantime? Because I'm still like, this sucks. So start figuring out your disabilities. What are the diagnostic codes? What's the VA law? Is there a better way that I could have gone about filing this claim? Let's say that you went to a VSO, threw 20 shitty things up against the wall, all direct service connections. Usually not the best way to go, especially if you've been out for a while. So learn about secondary service connections. Get into the law and educate yourself. If you're in Facebook groups or Discord groups or around negative people that are just, painting the worst outcome for you, tell those guys to fuck off. They're not going to do anything for you. Get around positive people, and it's not the end of the world. I know it's frustrating. You need the money, you need the compensation, you need whatever for your family. I get all that, but you are where you are. Wait for the decision letter and educate yourself about your disability and the VA claims process. You're going to come out with some education, the bureaucracy stuff. You can't get frustrated by it. You have to stay strong and you have to fight, fight, fight. That's the only way, the only mindset that you can have when you're dealing with the VA. Now, there's the Veterans Health Administration. They're frustrating and they suck. And I get that. I have a combo of VHA doctors and a private doctor. And you may need to go to private doctors. That's fine. Medical evidence, medical disability. Learn about it. It's actually kind of fun. I'm having fun, but I guess I have a YouTube channel. Maybe you should start a YouTube channel. Hit me up if you want info on cameras and microphones and being a jackass in a cowboy hat and coming up with a name like Combat Craig or whatever. Do something productive instead of doing something that's just going to bum you out because there's nothing you can do about it now. The claim part, but you can educate yourself, and you always have to be thinking a couple steps ahead. Okay, I got my rating. Now what do I do? I need an increase or not service connected or, play out all the different scenarios and be prepared to have an answer for all these different scenarios. They might come back and say, I didn't have enough medical evidence. Good. Go get more medical evidence. Go learn about it. Go pay for medical evidence. VA law is another one. Get familiar with VA law. You're going to be getting compensated for the rest of your life. Not sure how old you are. Don't really care. At some point, we're all going to die. But until that point, fight, educate yourself, understand where you're trying to get to, what you need to do to be fairly compensated, and dig your heels into them and don't let out. Stay on them and understand everything you possibly can. If this stuff is too confusing for you, I don't know what to tell you because it's only you that has to live with your VA rating. So somehow or another, you're going to have to go find the soldier or warrior or whatever that signed up and got all fucked up in the military, however many years ago it is. You need to go find that guy or girl and get them back in the saddle here because victim mentality. I get it. Oh, we want to help veterans. It should be called the Veterans. We don't give a shit about Veterans Administration. That's what it should be called. They don't care. Nobody cares, especially people at the VA. They say they do. All this veterans helping veterans bullshit. The VHA doesn't help veterans. So educate yourself, learn about the law, learn about your disabilities, and have moves, right? What if I get denied? What if I win? What if I'm somewhere in the middle? What are you going to do? What are you going to do if you lose? What are you going to do if you win? And the winning like doesn't stop, right? Even when you're at 100% permanent and total, that still might not be enough for you. You may be really fucked up and you may need special monthly compensation. So if you're in that boat, then you need to learn about special monthly compensation. Special monthly compensation, by the way, is money that's paid above. You know, if you're 100% P&T, it's $31.46 a month. Special monthly compensations go way up there, 4, 5, 6, 7 grand a month. Or if you're doing one for erectile dysfunction, you know, that's like 110 a month or something. But keep going, keep educating yourself. It's amazing how much stuff that you can pack into your brain and learn about this whole process. It's confusing, bite-sized chunks. Read a little bit, watch a little bit, do whatever, however you consume info and get it pounded into your brain. That's what you have to do. It's you against the VA. So are you going to let them continue to win or are you going to start winning now? Winner's mindset. Think about it. Let me jump in here real quick and tell you about my boot camp. If you want to learn more about the VA claims process, check out my boot camp. You can talk to me live. There's a link on the website and in the description, combatcraig.com. And also, if you need medical evidence like a nexus or documenting your symptoms properly, go to our website, combatcraig.com, and it says medteam/nexus letters. Click on that link, fill out the form. Boom, you're done.